Question 4. There are 25 students in a class. 12 of these students are girls. Here are the heights in centimeters of the 12 girls. 160, 173, 148, 154, 152, and so on. Part A says show this information in an ordered stem and leaf diagram. Okay, so remember, stem and leaf diagram must be in order. So there's only one girl who's in the 140s to 150s, so we put her on first. So an 8 here would represent 148. Okay, now I'm going to do all the girls in the 150s to 160s, well, 150s. There's only 2 of those girls, so 152 and 154. Okay, so they're done. Now 160s, I'm just going to highlight those. Quite a few more. 5 of those girls are in the 160s, so 160. Next smallest is 162, 164, 264s. There we go. And the last one, 168. Now, just to let you know, remember there's no commas in between these numbers, and they should all be in lines like that. Quite often I see students in the biggest, well, in the 160s here, squeeze in their numbers here. Okay, so try not to do that. So finally, the 170s. Now let's get this right. 170 comes first. Then the next girl's 173 and 174 and 179. Okay, now remember there's 12 bits of data, so just to make sure you haven't done it wrong, there's no harm in counting it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I've made sure I've put them all in, haven't missed anyone out. And now you need a key. Okay, so just choose any of these. Normally it's the smallest one, so I've got 148 represents 148, like that. Okay, and that's a key. So this is a 3-mark question. Let's just have a quick look at the mark scheme to see what it says to get those marks. So the first one is a method mark for these numbers being put in correctly, in order, with a minimum of 2 mistakes. Maximum of 2 mistakes. Okay, so you're only allowed 2 mistakes at the most to get this first method mark. And the second mark comes from all the data being perfectly put in, like I have here. And the third mark comes from a perfect key. Now you could put centimeter here, but that's not required to get that mark. Okay, and that's it.